Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is October the 28th, 2020. It's been a while. Today, we are going to talk about Chainlink and tell you all where the trap is going to take this market for Chainlink. Now, before I get into that, if this is your first time watching our video, before you go, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, we're going to give y'all the opportunity to leave us a comment as to what you expect the trap to do in the future. Yes, I want you to tell me your prediction as to where the market in Chainlink is going to be at in the next week. So let me zoom in on this price chart real quick. I want to show you what we expected the market trap to do on our last video, which is right here, October the 17th. Was the last time we did our video on Chainlink. And you guys can see we expected the market to give us a little bit of weakness. And that is precisely what occurred. The market, in fact, in Chainlink did go lower. Now, initially, following our forecast, the markets shot higher. But it does not negate that the market in Chainlink was still weak because, bam, right there on the 20th, you guys can see right there that the market came and hit that ultimate TP. 7.33%. Done. It's over. You could have bagged that, taken it out the market, gotten it back from the trap, and placed it into your account. Don't make it hard and do not make it difficult. Just another case that you can see came to fruition. So let's speak real quick, okay? Now, if you watch any videos on this platform, you guys will see people speak on how Chainlink is making higher highs. I'm sorry, it's making higher lows. And I'm gonna show you what I mean. Right? The market here in Chainlink is making higher lows. So we are seeing a trend occur on a daily time frame for Chainlink, right? You also see that this market in Chainlink just hit restriction at $13. So we got an area that we can focus in on as to what the trap is going to do in the future. This is our area of contention, of focus right here. This is where we need to pay attention to what occurs in the market for Chainlink. So we already found an area to where we got a result. And the result was that the trap did not break price above $13. So what do you think is going to occur? Once we got that rejection right there at $13 in Chainlink, that lets you know that we are in a trend of weakness right now. That is the current emotional mindset of the trap. He is feeling weak. And we're still seeing that weakness to this day. You know why? Because this area, $12, is the next area of restriction in the market in Chainlink. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that the market is going to plummet. I'm not saying that the market is going to crash. I'm not saying that Chainlink is going to go down 40%. But just realize that the market is weak. You can only get three aspects of the market in terms of emotions. One is strength, two is weakness, and three is there's no emotion. The market is just stable. So what emotion are we feeling right now? Or what emotion is the trap feeling? Yes, he's feeling weak. He doesn't feel like increasing the value of Chainlink at the moment. That's all. 3-day chart in Chainlink is still indicating to us that there's no strength in the market for this currency. Not right now. Because we got two restriction areas on this 3-day chart that we need to focus in on, that he needs to overcome before we'll change the market in motion of weakness to one of strength. And its first one is 13, next one is 12, period. Okay, so this is the area right here that I'm focusing on to see the trap try to come in and hold some support around $11.20, $11.15, literally. So I will say $11.15 to around $11 is where it's at. Okay, so yeah, we're seeing some weakness in the market in Chainlink on multiple time frames. And when you see that, there's no need to buck against the trend. There's no need to buck the system. He's telling you already what he's expecting to do. And we're going to follow right alongside with him. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this forecast real quick, and then I'll let you all be. And then I give you all the opportunity to tell me what you expect the market to do going forward. All right. So everything that I talked about in this video lends to the emotion of weakness. Okay, so on this forecast, we're going to play some weakness into the market in Chainlink. So $12 is restriction, maybe a little bit higher, you know, $12.20. I'm going to extend it up here to this $13 area for restriction. And let's go ahead and do this. And we're going to TP the market on this forecast right there at $11. Okay, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to bring it down just a tad, but just realize that $11 will be our initial area TP. Won't be surprised to see it try to tag out around 1050 though. In a long term, I would say like on a 3-day, 5-day chart to see that occur in Chainlink. So this is it. The market right now in Chainlink is definitely emphasizing to us some weakness. We have our initial area TP around $11. It might be a little bit higher. You know, like I said, $11.15, $11.15. And long term, unless anything changes, the market is able to close back up above what, $12, then this forecast will be invalidated. It won't be valid. It'll be voided. Okay. Now, what do you see? It's your turn. This is our expectations. Now, I want to know your expectation. What is your prediction in the market in Chainlink? Tell us your TP price as well. Where will we be in the next 10 days? Where will the price for Chainlink be at in the next 10 days? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll speak again on our next video.